Hey guys, today we are checking out a 2023 CR-V hybrid. We're gonna go for a little drive and we'll let you know how it goes.
Is it on? It's on, it's on. Okay.
Alright, so Amy's driving, Dylan's gonna do a little drone video. What's your first impression, Amy?
It feels a little different than the other CR-Vs and I like it.
Dylan, how's the back seat?
You know what, I got headroom. I can't complain. I'm in the middle too, so it's a little boosted up. That's great. I got lots of room.
Don't I have to turn right in here?
Yes. Oh, his drone.
Sounds so angelic.
Down
Do you want me to
that
drive
road
through this parking lot and around?
and go. It's now gonna follow us when we drive. Now, if I want to get that footage.
Okay, so we are back at the dealership. Amy, what are your final thoughts?
I'm actually really impressed and surprised that it does feel different when you're driving it than when you're driving the regular gas CR-V. Obviously, I need to learn some more, and as we learn more, we're going to keep you guys posted.
Now, as a passenger, I was quite comfortable. Dylan, what are your thoughts?
Lots of headroom. Heated back seats. Very good.